Welcome to the parshealthtv channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about diet for joint pain, best foods for people with arthralgia. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Joint pain may be due to sports injuries or related to arthritis. If you suffer from bone pain or joint pain, you know that it can be annoying in your daily life. Although the exact diet has not been proven to cure it, studies have shown that certain foods and spices can help patients and work like natural remedies. Here are some foods that can relieve pain and inflammation, strengthen bones, and improve daily life in general. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Fruits. Fruits generally contain a lot of vitamins that our body needs. Grapes. Apart from their flavor, grapes have a plant compound called proanthocyanidin, which reduces inflammation and joint pain. Citrus. Our body needs vitamin C to strengthen the immune system. Oranges, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which helps prevent inflammatory arthritis and joint pain. Cherries. Cherries and sour cherries have good results in people with osteoarthritis. A study in women with this disease showed that after consuming cherries for 3 weeks, the symptoms of inflammation decreased and part of their pain disappeared. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are wonderful vitamins that help our body in many ways. Fatty acids lubricate the joints and prevent inflammation. Sunflower seeds, eggs, and fish rich in omega-3. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the most important vitamins because it reduces inflammation in the body. Usually, our joints become painful due to inflammation caused by osteoarthritis or inflammation caused by overuse and injury. Turmeric, broccoli, pork, parsley, and many other vegetables are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin C. Vitamins help regenerate cells by reducing inflammation. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, but this vitamin in a green pepper is even higher than the amount of vitamin C in oranges. Vitamin D is anti-inflammatory, and by receiving it and strengthening the immune system, inflammation of the body organs is caused by the disease. Shrimp. Shrimp contain a lot of glucosamine, a good substance to reduce joint inflammation. Shrimp are also high in selenium and low in fat. Salmon fish. If you refuse to eat shrimp and do not like the taste, you can choose another seafood. Salmon is the best source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are very effective in regulating body weight, heart health, and improving joint health. The fat in salmon is excellent because it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and because of its high omega-3 to omega-6 ratio and its low content of saturated fats. Pineapple. This tropical fruit has long been used to heal wounds and injuries faster, because it contains a substance called bromelain. Bromelain has a significant effect on wound healing. Bromelain also has anti-inflammatory properties and is generally medicinal, a drug that reduces inflammation of the joints and accelerates the healing process of injuries. Pepper. All peppers contain vitamins A, C, and K, but red pepper is the best, because it naturally counteracts joint pain. The antioxidants in pepper prevent cell damage due to aging and disease, and cancer. In addition, red pepper reduces joint inflammation. Peppers are high in fiber and help control body weight. Banana. So far, you have heard about the properties of bananas, among which the health of the joints is one of the most important. If you have joint pain and it prevents you from daily functions, get help from bananas. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of potassium for your body and will make you feel full. Avocado. In fact, avocado is the most nutritious fruit in the world. It is rich in antioxidants and fights cancer, heart disease, osteoarthritis, and even cataracts. Avocado is also one of the best foods for the joints. Turmeric. Turmeric consumption has been very common in the past. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and can fight osteoarthritis. This spice contains substances that prevent cancer, and their consumption also improves mood. Low-fat dairy products. Products such as yogurt, milk, and cheese are rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are good for strengthening bones and boosting the immune system. In addition to a balanced diet, they also help reduce the pain of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. Walnuts, pistachios, and almonds. All nuts are nutritious, but walnuts, pistachios, and almonds contain very high amounts of calcium, magnesium, vitamin E, protein, and alpha-linolenic acid, which boosts the immune system. In particular, omega-3 fatty acids are high in walnuts, which help reduce osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis pain. Which one of these foods do you use more? Feel free to share your experiences about joint pain and your diet with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.